As a grower and producer of fruits and vegetables in different sourcing regions, we are being confronted with disrupted ecosystems. And we depend on ecosystems to have important ecosystem services such as pollination, clean water, water availability. And the fact that these ecosystems are being disrupted creates more agricultural risks and lowers crops' resilience. And that is one of the main reasons why we have decided to participate in this community of practice, which is called the Biodiversity Shift, led by the Shift and WWF, where the main goal at Crops is to start embedding nature and biodiversity at the heart of the corporate agenda.
The Biodiversity Shift is a community of practice that we've built together with WWF Belgium. It brings together between 15 to 20 companies. We help them build their own nature and biodiversity strategy. Therefore, we follow international standards. There's a lot of expertise coming into the room from our knowledge partners. We make space for peer-to-peer exchange and sharing of best practices among sectors, as it's a multi-sector group. We have been looking at the impact and dependencies, and now we're assessing based on that the risk and opportunities for businesses. It's important to look at those because nature is also part of your business, so how can you integrate those opportunities and risk in their long-term strategy?
So after having this theoretical session today of the Biodiversity Shift, we came with the whole group towards this beautiful nature reserve, which is close to our production site Hesbefrost, where the treated wastewater of Hesbefrost is sent to. This way we could actually restore ecosystem services by bringing back the water towards the nature, and this way this helped in increasing biodiversity.
Our main goal is to engage companies really and to take them along in our journey to bend the curve for nature loss, so to turn a negative trend on biodiversity into a positive one. And we believe that companies have a big role to play in that, and it's also in their interest. And so we want to see them as part of a solution, and by that also going into a conversation with companies and to build solutions together.